Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006. Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
You love putting people into homes, but refinancing is like you love saving people money. You like getting people out of credit card debt. Why is that passion so strong, and why do you help hundreds of people every single month with this?
Well, first of all, I consider myself a people person.
Okay.
So, when people call me, I always try to, kind of put myself in their position,
situation, right.
And if it were me in that situation, what would I do? So I try to go over the different things that we can do together, and find the best way to help them. So again, just being a people person kind of
propel you in that direction.
Gives you the edge, to be able to do that, when you're speaking to people, and I don't know, I just like that. I like that.
Right. Well, let me ask you this right now. First Republic Mortgage Bankers, I've checked around with many banks, big banks, small banks, little banks, no banks, all financial institutions all over the place. And I've realized that, considering that Bernanke said that the economy is going to get worse, a lot of folks are now rushing to First Republic Mortgage Bankers in contrast to going to a broker or going elsewhere. Can you let me in on the secret as to how Scott Siskin still runs a business and have the lowest interest rate all around the United States, especially in the tri-state area, Florida, Georgia, Maryland, Maine, Pennsylvania? Just let me know the secret, because I know he's not listening. How does he do it at 5.5% for refinancing? How does he do that? And then at the same time, all the other refinance programs, because it's not just the FHA programs that he has other refi programs.
Several, correct.
All those other refi programs, he still has the interest rate lower than what everyone else is doing it. How the hell does he manage to do that? I guess he's all about volume, right? What is he about?
Well, it has to do with the volume, but it also has to do with the fact that we are mortgage bankers. We're not a broker. So therefore, we're able to do a lot more than a broker can. Like you mentioned earlier, because we are a bank, we have different programs that perhaps brokers don't have.
Right.
And, we can help people right there on the spot. So, and his passion is to help people. And, that's one of his secrets, is having the passion to help people, come out of their debt, lower that, especially annihilating the credit cards.
Annihilating credit cards. Very powerful statement there, or phrase, that Scott Siskin uses all the time.
Exactly. And that's one of his favorite words, because he cannot stand to see people fall into this situation, with credit cards.
He hates credit cards. When he was approving my loan, and he was looking over it and all of that, he said, "Man, listen, you're my friend. You got to get rid of these credit cards. You got to get rid of these credit cards.
Get rid of it, yeah."
And you know what? He made me get rid of all of them. All of them. And I like that, man. Scott Siskin, how long he has been in this business. You know that he doesn't necessarily have to be in this business.
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't. He can just go home and relax. But this man has a passion in saving people money and making people get rid of their credit cards. And have you ever listened to him when he screams and yells his passion?
Yes.
Okay, you can
annihilate it.
Annihilate those credit cards. If you snooze,
you lose
big time. So, I'm very happy that he has a very good team, and you're part of that team. And right now, I'm going to open up the phone lines again for people all over the tri-state area, not just the fact that they know that you're going to give them the best interest rate, but also for them to ask as many questions, because I may not have all the questions.
Exactly.
I'm on the air doing my thing and talking and running my mouth, but I may not have all the questions that people have. And that's one of the reasons why I like the loan officers physically in the building, to be able to speak with you and ask as many questions.
Exactly.
You know, these people can speak with you and ask as many questions as possible. I don't know if there's anything that you'd like to say to potential home buyers, individuals who are going to refinance right now.
Well, what I do like to say is that, first of all, we like for you to call, and ask the questions, because we want you to become an educated consumer, and that's important. It's very important that you are aware of what's going on and what will happen, in the near future. So, become an educated consumer. And you can do that, the first thing is to pick up that phone and call me here. We will go over everything. There's nothing that will be left out. Just ask the question and you'll get the answer. Those of you that want to buy a home, call me. There are programs out there that will give you the lowest interest rate for the purchase of your home. There are also programs that will allow you 0% down. You have the government-backed program that right now gives you the lowest interest rate for people that are looking for homes. And right now it's the time to buy. The homes right now, they're going down in price. So come on, give us a call or give me a call. I'm the one here at the studio that's ready to help you and, become an educated consumer with me. Okay?
Absolutely. Sandy's her name, folks, and she's right here in the building. A beautiful person. She speaks many languages. Give her a ring right now. She's here. She will personally take your calls, answer all of your questions for home ownership. Whether it's your first home, your second home, or your third home, she's got the answers for you, and she's got the lowest possible interest rate. Yes, feel free to go and compare. I have absolutely no problem with that. Feel free to read, listen, and watch. I have no problem with that with other entities. However, I know confidently and solidly that the only way you're going to find out that you're getting the lowest possible interest rate is to pick up the phone, okay? And don't be stricken, okay? And not pick up the phone. Pick up the phone, call the studios of Link Up Media's Link Up Radio 93.5 WVIP, powered by so many. Give a call now and speak with Sandy. The number is 718-325-5555. Let me open up the lines now. Let me unblock them. 718-325-5555. And when you call her, ask her also about the FHA Secure program. That means if you're as much as 90 days behind on your mortgage, there is a program in place to assist and help you. Make the call to the radio studio, 718-325-5555. Sandy, as you can see, all the lines that's ringing right now,
that's
they're
right.
all for you.
I'm headed for the phone.
I'm going to let you go do your
Okay.
thing. Also, people, you can call 718-324-5465 if you're getting a busy signal, or call 718-380-0006. Once again, her name is Sandy. She's a powerful loan officer from First Republic Mortgage Bankers, and well ahead of all the rest. And I am confident and I'm very cocky about them leading in the industry. So all my brothers from all the 14 parishes of Jamaica, out of Trinidad, Guyana, all over the United States, wherever island you are from, speak with this lovely lady that's here in the building, and she wants to give you a much lower interest rate than the one that you have on your house, 5.5%. Also, of course, if you want to buy a house, they'll even give you the lowest possible interest rate in the industry. Not just here. It's in the newspaper. Why don't you just compare the average rate with what it is First Republic Mortgage Bankers is doing? The number, 718-325-5555.